If you've ever snuck a fingerful of cookie dough out of the bowl while no one was looking, then you're gonna love today's recipe. Howard shows us how to make cookie dough bites in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Remember growing up and helping Mom make chocolate chip cookies? As soon as she would look the other way, you'd reach into the bowl and grab a fingerful of raw dough. Was that ever good? These days, that's considered a no-no since the batter has raw egg in it. Since we don't want to let that get in the way of our childhood memories, we came up with a cookie dough that's safe to eat and is Mom approved. Just like Mom did, we start by beating some butter and brown sugar together until it's creamy. To that, we add in some flour, a pinch of salt, and a splash of vanilla. Once this comes together, we slowly mix in a couple of tablespoons of milk. And since the best part is the add-ins, we add in some chocolate and peanut butter chips. Of course, if you rather add a chunked up candy bar, nonpareils, or whatever your favorites are, go ahead. Cause now you can eat raw cookie dough without the worry or without getting your hand slapped. Maybe make a batch or two so you can serve it whenever the kids or grandkids want something really fun. To get the recipe, visit our website and type in cookie dough bites. It's that easy. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a very trendy and very tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Love cookie dough. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website.